Hey everyone, Johnny with South Texas Firearms Training. How you doing, guys? Here at the ranch right now at the deer lease. We're gonna be doing a review. I had checked this out on the internet, and a couple of guys had been buying these for their ARs. It's the CMMG 22 long rifle AR kit, a conversion kit. Basically, what it is on this particular model, it has the bolt carrier group for 22, and it comes with 3 mags. Okay, this is what we'll be using today and checking it out. See how it turns out. Alright guys, basically on the conversion model for the AR, you want to do the 22 on it. All you have to do is just change the it just comes with the BCG, which is the bolt carrier group. All you got to do is just change that from the 223 you have, and then just put on the 22 one. This is a stainless one. Of course, you open up your rifle. And I already did this one on this one. All I gotta do is just drop the BCG on there, and you're good to go, guys. And that's what we're gonna be doing today, and checking it out, see how it does. All right. Clear. We'll be shooting 25 round mags. These are 25 round mags, so we'll be shooting 25 rounds. See if there's any hiccups or anything. We'll find out. Pretty good. All right, guys, the CMMG 22 long rifle conversion kit. It's a great little fun tool to have, especially if you're wanting to train or just plink, teach new people, especially kids, women, younger kids that want to learn how to start using the rifle, on the functionalities of it, loading, racking, and all that good stuff. The 22 conversion kit from CMMG is the way to go, guys. Under 200 bucks, you can't go wrong. I did have some hang-ups with some federal ammunition that wasn't too high velocity, but I switched to the Remington high velocity 22s, and they cycled awesome. As you can see on the video, they did superb. So under $200, a little kit like that, all you got to do is just take off the 223 5.56 BCG and replace it with the 22 long rifle BCG, and there you have it, guys. It's an awesome tool just to go and plink around, just train, and just have an awesome time. I'm here with the family here at the ranch, and we'll be here for a while. We're gonna be plinking 22 long rifle.